I am going to show you how I make a low carb keto chaffle bread using this Dash mini waffle maker. This makes it so simple to do. So first we break one egg into I use a measuring cup, I think it's easier. And then I'm going to put in a half a cup of any kind of shredded cheese. You can shred it freshly yourself or use already shredded. For things like this, sometimes I go ahead and use the already shredded. So we're gonna add this shredded cheese. I kind of made a mess there. Okay, and then we're gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll put that in there. And then we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of almond flour. So I've got all this in this measuring cup. And I'll show you how this goes. Now, as I get ready to whisk this together, I am gonna plug in this Dash mini waffle maker. And you'll see when I plug it in that there's a blue light. Can you see? Yeah, see that blue light? So I leave this plugged in until that light goes off, and then I know it's preheated enough for me to cook my chaffle bread. Now chaffle bread, you can use this for so many different things. It's a low carb bread and it works great. You can make it for buns, you can use it for sandwiches, you can even put some shredded chicken in here. You want to make it even higher protein, which works great. This should be enough, I think, for 2 pieces. I'm going to whisk this really good. Now you can see how that mixture, it's pourable. Okay, we're just waiting now for the waffle maker for that light to go off, because then I know it's ready. So as soon as the light goes off, okay, it is preheated. Now we are gonna pour this in like so. And I kind of go all around so it gets in there nice and even. I love this Dash mini waffle maker because I don't even worry about, now you can see how much I poured in there. Now I'm gonna close it. Now, when the light goes off, it will be done and ready to use. So again, we just kind of have to wait for it to do its thing and to finish cooking. It doesn't take it real long. I like that there's no guesswork. You don't have to set a temperature. You can open it and check it, but I like to just wait. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see that steam coming up. That means it's just about finished cooking. And we're just gonna give this, I can actually smell it. I wish you could smell it. It smells great. And as soon as that light clicks off, we'll open this up and take that chaffle bread out. I'll just use this spoon here to get it out. It's just about done. Can you see that steam now? I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's steamy. And now that light just went off. I'm gonna open this up and voila, we've got an excellent piece of chaffle bread. Can you see that? It's done really well. You can see on both sides. Ooh, it's hot. And so now that's one piece and that's ready to go. I will put a link in the description for you. I'll put the recipe in there, and I'll also put a link to where you can get the Dash mini waffle maker on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, if you've ever made chaffle bread, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you like to do with chaffle bread.